Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view your commits in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically all you will need to do is just to go to your repository and from there you can access to the commits history. And to do so, we will be needing to go to the repositories and you can find repositories either here, like from this menu, or you can go to your profile picture and click on your repositories, and there you will be able to access your repository. And basically, I'm just going to go to any repository, and it depends also on the branches. So basically, you can have many branches, and each branches would have its own commits. And basically, you can simply click on the commits here, and now we can access to the history of the commits. So as you can see here, those are some reviews that we had, and you can find those are just some workflows. It's not, it doesn't really matter, and basically those are the commits. Here are the message of the commits. Those are just the messages, and those are the authors of the commits, and this is the timestamp. And basically it will be the same for any branch, and those are the main commits. And as you can see, this is the first commits when you are creating your uh, when you create the branch, etc. And another thing that you would find is the hash. This is the hash of the commit, and you can start accessing to other commits through the hash, and you can check out to these exact commits or do some cherry picking or whatever, and you can see the changes that has been like done to the commits. So as you can see, this is a checkout to this commit, and from here you will find the states of your repository at this point of time, or at this point of this commit. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.